So today we are going to discuss about the molecular basis of mutation. Now, what actually is basically a mutation? So we say a mutation is a sudden change in the genetic makeup of an organism that in turn leads to a change at the phenotypic level. That change is sudden and it may be more or less permanent in nature. And this mutation is the basic cause of variation in the environment. If we say there are different types of organisms and with different variabilities, it is because of this mutation. Now, what are the different causes of this mutation? The mutation, it may be caused because of certain environmental changes, or it may also be during the normal process of DNA replication slippage. That is, when there is transfer of genetic material from one cell to another and some mistakes occur. So these are the general reasons for the process of mutation. Now, talking about the molecular basis of mutation, we say that there are two possible reasons for it. First, it is the base substitution, and another, it is the base addition or deletion. Now, what is a base basically? So, we say that our DNA is made up of four important bases. First, it is adenine. Second, it is thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Now, these four bases form our DNA. Now, the base substitution is the phenomena which is characterized by the presence of two important phenomena. Now, first, it is transition. In transition, a purine it is changed to another purine. Like we say, an adenine, which is a purine, gets converted into a guanine and vice versa. Similarly, a pyrimidine is transferred or gets changed to another pyrimidine. Like we say, thymine, it is getting converted into the cytosine and vice versa. Similar is the case as we talk about the transversion phenomena. Now, in transversion, what happens is that a purine is getting converted into a pyrimidine. That means adenine is getting converted into a thymine and vice versa. And similarly, a pyrimidine gets converted into a purine. So we say cytosine is getting converted into the guanine and vice versa. So in this process, there is change in a base. That means in the ATGC sequence, we have a change and it is creating a variation at the phenotypic level. Like we say, we have a red apple and we have a green apple also. So that is because of some change at the genetic level. Similarly, the second important uh, point for your molecular basis of mutation is the base addition or deletion. Now let us consider an example where we have a base ATGC and there is a base addition. We say the guanine it gets incorporated at the third place and the new sequence is ATGGC. So that's a base addition. Similarly, we can also have a base deletion. Here we can see that the ATGC sequence has been converted to ATC. That means there is a deletion of guanine base. So this is how the mutations that are occurring at the molecular level are creating the variations. Now these variations are necessary because they create the diversity in nature and survival of the fittest. Thank you.